The James Webb Telescope is the most advanced and powerful telescope ever created by human beings. But how did they build such a massive and intricate piece of technology? Let's take a look. The James Webb Telescope is the result of over 20 years of hard work and collaboration by NASA, the European Space Agency, ESA, and the Canadian Space Agency, CSA. The telescope is named after James E. Webb, a former NASA administrator who played a key role in the Apollo program. Building James Webb started with assembling various parts of the telescope, including the mirrors, the sunshield, and the spacecraft bus, which holds the telescope's scientific instruments. The process required high precision and accuracy. The James Webb Telescope model assembly line is truly a marvel. The task of building such a complex piece of technology required a team of highly skilled individuals to assemble various intricate parts of the telescope. With a primary mirror over 6 meters in diameter, the precision and accuracy needed for assembling such massive instruments were incredibly high. The team of experts had to work around the clock to make sure that everything was in place and functioning as it should. It was a challenging endeavor that required everyone involved to give their absolute best. But all the work and effort were worth it in the end, as the James Webb Telescope is set to revolutionize our understanding of the universe and beyond. The James Webb Telescope model assembly line proves how science and technology keep developing every year. The precision and accuracy needed to assemble this massive telescope not only showed the world the possible limits of technology, but it also demonstrated how people can work together to achieve a common goal. It is incredible to think that this telescope will be able to observe distant galaxies and study planets outside our solar system so that we can expand our understanding of the universe. The James Webb Telescope model assembly line not only represents incredible advances in science and technology, but also highlights the capacity of people to come together and achieve what would have once seemed impossible. After each part was assembled, they went through a rigorous inspection process. Any flaws in the parts could severely impact the telescope's performance, so it was of utmost importance that each component met the required standards. Since James Webb was designed to study distant galaxies and stars, it needed to be as clean as possible. Any dust or particles could interfere with the data collecting process, hence the technicians wearing these full-body suits even while working with the instruments. Finally, the different parts were brought together and integrated to create the complete telescope. This involved connecting everything electronically and ensuring that it was functioning together seamlessly. And with that, after over 2 decades of hard work, the James Webb Telescope was completed. It's now undergoing extensive testing to ensure it can survive the harsh conditions of space and perform to its best ability. Once launched, James Webb will be stationed at the Earth-Sun L2 Lagrange point, roughly 1.5 million kilometers from Earth. Interesting point to note here is since it's not an orbiting telescope like Hubble, it's equipped with propeller tube to adjust its position and orientation accordingly.